Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, sorry I'm in the middle of a match right now. There's so much zombies. And literally, I was eating my hamburger, and then they busted in, and I'm like, what's up? And then I just grabbed out my gun, and I started shooting them. Okay, so, right now, I'm playing some zombie, some zombie attack. And I got my friend right here, ftmobymaxmarius. Well, his name's Marius, so let's just call him that. Tell him to say hi, but first let's get into a spot, and so we can actually talk without getting killed by zombies, because it's annoying. Okay, here's a spot. So, I'm gonna make another video later on today. I'm just doing that because I have to post videos for you guys, and I haven't been posting lately. So, yeah, let's get up here. I don't want to die by these zombies. So, I guess I won't be able to text unless I do this. Side curve? Oh, no. Please, I'm going to help him. Marius, it's okay. You're safe. I'll help you. You're dying. Okay. He's already getting chased for his life. I'll help him. Okay. Oh, he's probably gonna die. Okay. Sorry, I'm really focused right now. I don't want to die. So I'm like in my mode. But these zombies are faster than me, so they're probably gonna kill me. Okay, bam. And they killed me. Okay, so at least we're gonna be getting in the lobby, and we can actually talk. So let's do a real intro. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing some zombie attack, and let's see what level. It's level 22. Let's try to get up to level 24, because levels are pretty easy to level up. It's really easy to level up. So actually, I just killed like one boss, and I went up like two to 3 levels. So it was crazy. So this dude, he says he's a fan. Earlier when I was playing, he said he's a big fan, so let's say hi to him. Wait, hi. Okay, it looks like, what's that mean? Does that mean they're following me or something? Okay, come on, Angry Pikachu. Got like a weird zombie turd on you. You grab your turd, and then you put a green head on it, and then 2 green arms. That's just weird. I think he's on tablet or something, or if he could be on computer, because he types slow. And it's probably like computer, it's hard to type, because you don't know where all the keyboards are, and same as, what am I blanking? Same as, my mind's been blanking all day, but same as, now I forgot what I was saying. What is up with me today? I've been blanking out a lot. But like, you get so much XP from zombies, but they're so fast. Like, just please, give me a moment to talk. No, don't kill me. Okay, please, just let me. Why does my parkour skills have to be so bad? Okay, so now we're here. Let's see what we can buy. I want to buy some stuff. So I was saving up for that, and then I kind of don't want to save up for it. It would take forever, and I need to get a gun. So let's do that. I want to get an awesome knife, but it doesn't let me. It says like, see, I never bought that, and it says I own it. So it's not letting me do anything. So I have to just focus on my guns. So I don't want to buy that. It's weak. Stupid. I want to buy something that's weak. But I have 5,000, so I can buy that. Let's just buy it. Let's purchase the spirit. Okay. Oh, see? Now my cousin's here. Say hi. Say hi. Because you... Oh, geez, zombie. Enter. Okay. Oh, now he's going to fight off zombies. Marius, it's not worth it. Okay, these sand monsters are like bosses at Park 4. Die. No. Stupid sand monster. And he killed me because he's a boss at parkour. Okay. Oh, at least my pet's here. What's up, pet? Okay. Let's tell him to say hi to the viewers. Where is he? He's just ditching me. I think he's really in the game and probably doesn't know I'm recording. So he's just saying like, walking around. Okay, what do I want to do? I want to become a zombie. It's not letting me go. Well, why can't I be a zombie? Oh, here he is. Okay, he said hi. That's good. So you are on a vid. What is your reaction? Probably gonna blur it out. What's your reaction? It's like, oh, nice. What's your reaction? The last time you left the game, I don't know if that was lag or anything else. How do you respond to being on a vid? See, the way I type, it's pretty slow, so I cannot be a Minecraft player, because when you have to type and all that stuff, bad. It's probably just bad to say that. Okay. Sorry if my speaking's a little bit dizzy. I just haven't, my brain's been, it just hasn't been working, basically. Let's just say that. Let's see how he reacts, because he's supposed to be coming over later today. So I hope that happens. So is he gonna do anything? Because I'm just gonna dance over here. Come on, do something. Do dance 3. Like that one. Okay. See for some dancing. Oh no. Okay. If you guys ever play this game, always get the Uzi. That guy's about to like kill me with his foot. He's like kick me in the face. It's okay, buddy. I'll end your miserable life before you take a dookie on my face. Yeah. So earlier today I was playing some Flood Escape because Marius, he's the one that's showing me everything about Flood Escape. He knows where to go, what to do, and everything. And I was so cheap because literally I fell in the water and it glitched my head where I was stuck in a wall, so it made me drown. I was so mad. I'm like, what the? Why? That's why you do that to me, game. I thought we're like friends, you know, hang out. Okay. So it looks like I'm probably gonna be able to make it to level 23 because we're running out of time. So let's complete this round. Actually, let's just complete this round. Okay, I'm level 23. Bam. Man, I can't wait because I'm gonna buy the new editing version on my computer so I can edit videos on my computer. It's gonna be so cool, but right now my dad's not here, so this video is not gonna be edited. So yeah, like literally, when I've been making videos, I've been failing. Like this one fail, I can't post it. So literally, I'm running out of storage because I'm doing too much videos. So I have to delete them all every time I'm done. But now that I can edit, I can just crop out, like cut out the part where I say something dumb. And yeah. Okay. Let's hope he follows me. Come on, Marius. Over here. What are you doing? Oh, hello. Come on, Marius. We gotta do the outro. Follow me, bro. Dude, you okay? Oh, jeez. We're gonna die. Run! kill him. Fine. Okay, come on, Marius, let's go. Let's go, bro. This is my squad. It's not really a squad, it's my duo. Come on, bro. Let's go, duo. Duo, and he gets attacked by a beast. Not the best duo ever, but it's still a duo, okay? It's good for now. Okay. Well, I don't think he wants to do the outro. If he does, he'd probably be following me. But just hop up here so we can do the outro. Bam. So I do some parkour. Hop up here. Do a 360. 360 fail. Because I suck at parkour. Well, I don't suck, but I haven't been doing it in a while. Sorry if I seem really tired and droopy. I'm really tired. Like, not super tired. It's just, I've been making videos for you guys, and my voice has been not normal, really. And that's why it may sound different on camera. It sounds super different. Like, when I watch my videos, I can hear what I'm saying, and it's so different. Like, it sounds different. Okay, he's here. It's time for ending. Because he probably doesn't know what outro means. But for indie. Okay, so let's do this. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please tell me what you want me to do in the comments. I'll be doing that. Playing games for you guys is so fun. It's just this has been my dream to be a YouTuber. If you don't know that, if you haven't watched my live stream, go watch that. But it's been my dream to be a YouTuber, and now that I'm YouTubing, I don't care that I have barely any views. I don't care that I don't have that much subscribers as others, because I'm doing this for you guys. And even if I have little viewers, it's good enough for me, because I don't require too much from you guys. You guys don't have to smack that like button. You guys don't have to smack that subscribe button. You guys just have to be there, because I'm there for you. You can be there for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.